State Governor Wike has reviewed Justice Inyang Ekwo of the Federal High Court, Abuja, as the judge he uses for dirty jobs. Wike had, during the inauguration of the reconstructed 3.4-kilometer Eastern Bypass in Port Harcourt, said he was behind the sacking of David Umahi as governor of Ebonyi State. You carry the vote of another party and join another party. Can you transfer votes? If you are defecting, leave the seat, and this will checkmate most of those political harlots who will never sit in one place looking for excuses here and there. You can't take our property and say we should close our mouths. How can we close our mouths? And they say those who are behind it are behind it. If your friends don't want to tell you, me, I'm involved, so nobody should threaten us. You are not our friend. You are not a member of our party. Leave what belongs to our party, Wike had boasted. Justice Ekwo of the Abuja Division of the Federal High Court had on Tuesday removed the governor and his deputy, Kelechi Igwe, over their defection from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC). Umahi left the PDP in November 2020, attributing the action to the injustice done to the Southeast. I beg your pardon. Consequently, the PDP instituted a suit against the governor, his deputy, the APC, and the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC). In this judgment, Justice Ekwo heard that having defected to the APC, both Umahi and his deputy had, by dumping the PDP, also forfeited the vote that belongs to the party. He had that, going by the outcome of the governorship election, the office of the governor, the deputy governor in Ebonyi State, belongs to the plaintiff and no other political party. However, success at the Federal High Court in Abuja told Sahara reporters on Saturday night that Justice Ekwo is known as Wike Judge. They added that the judiciary officer is so meshed with Wike that the governor permanently has lawyers stationed in his court to monitor his cases. Were you surprised when Governor Umahi criticized Justice Ekwo over the judgment, describing him as a hatchet man? Justice Ekwo is known as Wike Judge here. He is so immersed with Wike that Wike permanently has lawyers stationed in his court to monitor his cases. The Rivers State Governor is known as the golden boy of the judiciary over his ability to bribe judges at all levels. He was known to have awarded the contract of building the Court of Appeal to a sitting judge, the president of the Court of Appeal, then Justice Zainab. Back to Justice Ekwo, some of the cases with him are cases Wike is directly or indirectly involved in. Another source added, the Ebonyi governor did not lie when he said we were in trouble in this country because justice could now be purchased anyhow. The reckless statement of Wike yesterday confirmed that. He has turned Justice Ekwo to his homeboy. The same judge was used to remove Showaris as AAC, African Action Congress, the chair, and Fabi as his deputy. He refused to hear the case on merit, and when he gave the judgment, he refused to make copies available before going on vacation. When your medium, the Sahara reporters, wrote about this unauthentic behavior, he hurriedly called off the vacation to make a copy of the judgment available. Ever since then, he has avoided Showare's case assigned to him. He typically returned them to tropically returned them to the chief judge. I beg your pardon. Meanwhile, Nigerians have reacted to this. The matter has been appealed, so those conspiracy theories are just nothing. We don't want to hear about this matter again. If I had not seen the video, then I would have believed that actually this man is doing this. So, Sahara reporters, please. He has most judges in his payroll, including the judge who made the recent ruling against Umahi. Wike is just deceitful since he is among the benefactors of corrupt judges in federal high courts. Okay, that was what Wike said. Okay, you carried the vote of another party and joined another party. Can you transfer votes? If you are defecting, leave the seat. And this will checkmate most of those political harlots who will never sit in one place, looking for excuses here and there. You can't take our property and say we should close our mouth. How can we close our mouth and say those who are behind it, we are behind it? Okay, this is just complete nonsense. What Wike said is just the truth, because this is sad that all these things are happening in Nigeria. Okay, the judge should clear his name if he is not capable. Okay, someone said the Rivers State governor may have been one of those who approached the courts to initiate the process of regaining his party mandate, which he openly admitted. So what makes people think the learned judge did a dirty job? I don't know why we have that dirty job there. What do they mean by a dirty job? What do they mean by dirty job? The judge did the needful, and anybody who is saying what the judge did as dirty, those are the people who does not want our democracy in Nigeria to improve. That is just the gospel truth. And what Wike said is true. How can you carry another person's vote to another party and you want them to keep quiet? If you want to leave the office. Finish. So, matter closed. So guys, I'm going to drop it here. Kindly share your thoughts with us below the comment section. Don't forget to give us thumbs up. Thank you very much for always having you here. Bye for now.